Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to use Evernote tasks to organize your to-do list and manage your workload more effectively. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Evernote app and log in with your credentials. Once you're inside, look at the left sidebar and click on Tasks. This section is specifically designed for managing all your to-do items in one centralized location, making it easier to track what needs to get done. In the upper right corner of your screen, you'll see a button that says New Tasks. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a fresh task creation window where you can configure all the details for your new to-do item. Now, enter your task name in the designated field at the top. This should be a clear, concise description of what you need to accomplish. Right below that, you'll see a text box for your description. Click inside this box and enter any additional details or notes that will help you understand the task better when you come back to it later. Below the description, you'll find options to select your due date. You can choose from several preset options like today, tomorrow, custom, or repeat. For example, if you want to set a specific date, click Custom. This will bring up a calendar picker where you can select the exact date you need to complete this task. Once you've selected your date, look for the Add a Time option below it. Click on it to set a specific time for your task. You can adjust the time by clicking the small up and down arrows until you reach your preferred time. After you've set the correct time, click Done to confirm your selection. Moving down, you'll see a reminder section. Click Add Reminder right beside it. This feature ensures you get notified before your task is due, helping you stay on top of your deadlines. Adjust the reminder time using the small up and down arrows, and then click the drop-down menu right beside it to select whether you want to be reminded in minutes, hours, or days. Once you've configured your reminder settings, click Add Reminder to save it. Below the reminder section, you'll find an Assign option. Click the text field right beside it and enter the name or email address of the person you want to assign this task to. This is particularly useful for team projects or delegating responsibilities. After entering the information, click Assign to confirm. Finally, set your priority level below the Assign section. You can choose from low, medium, or high depending on how urgent or important the task is. This helps you visually organize your tasks by importance when you're viewing your task list. Once you've filled in all these details, click Create Task to save your new task. You've now set up a fully configured task in Evernote with all the necessary details to keep you organized. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.